Have you ever pondered the cost of creating an app akin to Candy AI? You're certainly not alone.
In this insightful video, we'll delve into the intricacies of app development costs, explore avenues to optimize return on investment, elucidate the myriad business advantages, and introduce you to a trusted ally for crafting your own Candy AI-esque app at an unbeatable price. Factors influencing the development cost of an app like Candy.ai. Understanding the various facets that influence development costs is paramount, especially for an app as sophisticated as Candy.ai.
Let's unpack each factor to gain a comprehensive understanding.
App complexity. The complexity of features, ranging from basic to advanced, significantly impacts costs, with prices escalating from $10,000 to $100,000 plus. Platform. Opting for iOS, Android, or cross-platform compatibility influences costs, ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 plus. Design and UI/UX. The quality and complexity of design elements play a pivotal role in expenses, ranging from $5,000 to $30,000 plus. Back-end development. Costs escalate with server logic and API integration, ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 plus. Third-party integrations. Integrating external services incurs additional expenses, ranging from $1,000 to $20,000 plus. Artificial intelligence. Implementing AI features elevates costs substantially, ranging from $20,000 to $100,000 plus. Security features. Ensuring data protection adds to expenses, ranging from $5,000 to $20,000 plus. User authentication. Secure login systems entail additional costs, ranging from $2,000 to $10,000 plus. Maintenance and updates. Ongoing support requires investment, averaging from $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month. Marketing and launch. Promotional activities entail extra costs, ranging from $5,000 to $50,000 plus. Testing and QA. Ensuring quality necessitates investment, ranging from $5,000 to $20,000 plus. Project management. Coordination adds to expenses, ranging from $3,000 to $15,000 plus. Geographic location. Development costs vary by region. Team size. The number and expertise of developers impact hourly rates, ranging from $50 to $150 plus. Compliance and legal. Ensuring legal standards incurs expenses, ranging from $1,000 to $10,000 plus. Understanding these factors facilitates efficient estimation and management of development costs. Business benefits of developing an app like Candy.ai. Let's explore the multitude of business benefits. Enhancing user experience, fostering brand loyalty, and unlocking new revenue streams are just a few of the advantages of developing a Candy AI-like app. With the right approach, your app can become a prized asset to your business. Looking to develop your own Candy AI-like app without breaking the bank? Enter RichestSoft. With their unmatched expertise in app development and unwavering commitment to cost-effectiveness, they can transform your vision into reality. In essence, developing an app like Candy AI transcends mere cost considerations. It embodies boundless potential for growth, innovation, and triumph. Partner with RichestSoft today and embark on your journey to app greatness.